While visiting Tillamook, Oregon, we stayed at an Elks campground. With big sites and lots of grass, we had full hookups for only $25 a night. Walking down the path to the lighthouse, Pacific Ocean, beautiful scenery. Smells like Christmas. What'd you find, Ray?
Just like our Christmas tree. But the little suckers poked me.
More beautiful wildflowers. I think somebody said those were azaleas. We visited the Cape Mears Lighthouse
And the octopus tree.
and we saw the 3 arches, all in one convenient location. Fun day. The new Tillamook Cheese Factory, now known as the Tillamook County Creamery, opened just 3 weeks before our visit. The factory hosts over 1.3 million visitors a year and produces more than 170,000 pounds of cheese a day. New kiosks were added to give people lessons on how the cheese is made. I took the challenge and hooked up the cow udders in record time. Ah, good place to be. What is that?
Smoked black pepper, natural white cheddar cheese.
Oh, that sounds good.
Mars and 777, both very sweet. You guys are the leaves, the canes. Green white wines, you don't let the skin sit. So.
One of the great perks of this journey is the ability to meet up with family and friends along the way. We were able to meet up with my niece and nephew and their families in Portland, Oregon.